In solution-focused therapy, working with children is about more than shrinking the language. It's about expanding the creativity. Children don't always express themselves in long explanations, but they do tell stories through play, pictures, movement, and metaphor. That's why SFT with children taps into imagination to build progress. It starts with connection, safety, and fun. We ask questions like, if a superhero helped you with this, what would they do? What would be different if your day was awesome instead of awful? What's one thing that made you smile today? These aren't just playful, they're strategic. They shift focus from what's wrong to what's possible. We still use the core SFT tools: miracle questions, scaling, exception finding, but we tailor them to a child's world. For scaling, we might use drawings or toys. Where are you today on the ladder of feeling better? Show me with your hands. How close are you to a good day? Children respond to questions that are visual, concrete, and short. We notice the little things because they matter. Instead of saying, "Tell me about your anxiety," we ask, "What's something that helps a little when you feel weird inside?" Or, "What's something you did today that made things even a tiny bit better?" We also include parents or caregivers as collaborators. We ask them, "What's something you've seen your child do that shows strength? What tells you they're trying?" This builds a support system around the child, one that notices what's working, not just what's challenging. Compliments are especially powerful with children. Not just "good job," but "that was brave. You figured that out in your own way. I saw you try even when it was hard." SFT honors children as experts in their own lives. Even small successes count, and those small successes are the foundation for change. We also move at the child's pace. We use play to enter their world because therapy should feel like something they want to come back to. And we celebrate tiny steps. I noticed you looked up today when I said hi. You came in with your shoes on the right feet. Awesome! Progress isn't always loud. Sometimes it's a whisper, a glance, a drawing, but it's always worth naming. SFT with children is flexible, joyful, and respectful. It's about building safety, trust, and momentum, one curious, playful moment at a time. Because children don't need to be fixed. They need to be seen. And when we help them notice what they're already doing well, the future starts to look a whole lot brighter.